होंगे और वो हैं हमारे आज के माननीय गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर श्री नाना चुड़ासमा जी, जो कि 2 बार बम्बई के शरीफ भी रह चुके हैं और हमारे अपने मुंबई के बहुत ही प्यारे दोस्त हैं। तो बातें बहुत अच्छी करते हैं नाना चुड़ासमा, इसलिए मैं उनसे दरख्वास्त करती हूँ।
Other Sheriff, former Sunil Dutt ji, all the dignitaries on dais, and a very good audience, because I have never heard any audience which claps so well as this evening's audience. Thank you. I must also say that when Sarita ji was today speaking, one secret was out. She said she is a neighbor of Gulzar ji. Now I know where Gulzar ji gets his inspiration. I think she is a tremendous compere. She boosts everybody, makes the speaker nervous, and that's why I'm going to keep my speech like lady's skirt, long enough to cover everything, but short enough to be exciting. I must say that Kalyanji, Anandji are my very old friends. They gave us little wonder, but I always call them, they are the wonder brothers of Mumbai city, and they have given us. But this evening amongst us also, there is a big wonder, and that is Ram Jawarani. I think he's a tremendous man. He has some of the qualities which any social worker should have. He is never angry, he is always humble, most unassuming, but does a tremendous work for betterment of humanity. And that's why I say that we are very glad we are here. All the awards were given to very deserving people. I don't want to go into it. But one particular award, or 2 particular awards, I was very touched. And both happen to be from the film world. That is Sunil Dutt and Dilip Kumar. If these 2 get, I think it's a great honor for the organization and for the city. They have been sheriffs. In fact, these days sheriffs are making a lot of news. One of our sheriff is having a free hospitality from the government. But I can tell you, otherwise all other sheriffs are really sheriff individuals. So I would say my congratulations to all the winners, to Ram Jawarani and his team, because I think his volunteers also are very dedicated, and my association with them gives me happiness and gives, I'm sure, to all of you. So I would say, I love Mumbai, we love Sayog. Thank you.